Hi friends, esteemed viewers. Today we gather to pay tribute to a towering figure in the annals of history, a man whose name resonates with hope and determination and unwavering the pursuit of excellence. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, born in the humble town of Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu on October 15, 1931. Doctor Kalam's journey epitomizes the triumph of the human spirit over adversity, from selling newspapers as a young boy to becoming the 11th President of India. His life story is a testament to power of dreams and determination. Dr. Kalam was not just a leader, he was a visionary scientist whose contributions to India's space and defense are etched in the annals of history. As a key figure in organizations like ISRO and DRDO, he played a pivotal role in shaping India's technological prowess. Dr. Kalam was a leader who led by example. His humility, integrity, and passion for innovation inspired everyone around him to strive for excellence. He had an incredible ability to connect with the people from all walks of life, especially the youth. His vision for India's future was not just about scientific progress, but also about inclusive growth and societal transformation. Dr. Kalam was a true champion of education and believed that youth held the key to India's future. He tirelessly engaged with the students, encouraging them to dream big, think creatively, and never give up on their aspirations. Beyond his scientific achievements, Dr. Kalam was a humanitarian at heart. He believed in the power of compassion, empathy, and inclusivity. He often spoke about importance of spreading love and harmony. As we reflect on the life and legacy of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, let us be inspired by his example to dream, to innovate, and to lead with compassion and integrity. Let us try to build a world where the every individual has the opportunity to soar to new heights, just like the man fondly known as the Missile Man of the India. Thank you for watching our video. Hit like the video, share to your friends. See you again with another topic. Take care.